Nobody likes to clean a toilet. Here are 5 quick, easy steps for a bacteria-free bathroom. Before you begin, remove anything in your way of cleaning the entire toilet. Candles, tissue box, room deodorizer. Remove any fabric, toilet lid, covers, and rugs. Now, with an all-purpose cleaner disinfectant, start at the top of the tank, spray the entire tank and flush handle. Wipe all the surfaces dry with a paper towel. Next, spray the top of the toilet seat lid. Wipe it down with a paper towel, then spray the area between the seat and the tank too. Then open the lid, spray the underside of the lid and the seat. Wipe all surfaces dry with a paper towel. With the toilet seat up, spray the rim of the toilet and the outside of the pedestal. Wipe all the surfaces dry with a paper towel. Remember, never throw away your paper towel in the toilet. Moving on to the toilet bowl. Before you start cleaning, flush the toilet. Turn the toilet bowl cleaner upside down and point the nozzle to the underside of the rim. Squeeze the bottle, coating the underside of the entire rim and toilet bowl. Let the cleaner sit in the bowl for a minimum of 30 seconds. With the toilet bowl brush, scrub the entire bowl, including the underside of the rim. Flush the toilet and repeat if necessary. Let the water drip off the toilet brush and return the brush to its holder. For more cleaning tips like this, visit us at familyhandyman.com.